This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Walla Habiby. Welcome to 5702 Collette Road. A charming and cozy 3-bedroom/2-bath rancher home located at a quiet street with plenty of space in the yard to play catch with your pup or build a playground. Open floor plan with a spacious kitchen and living room. A great main bedroom with private bathroom. The home features beautiful new vinyl flooring in the living room, an inviting front porch and relaxing back deck perfect for entertaining. Brand new HVAC 2021, brand new dishwasher 2022. This home is a must-see. Call today for a private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Walla Habiby at 865-584-4000.